Yeah, man. Elden Ring After Dark, baby. We are up, and we are going to run in and take care of my 20th playthrough, folks. Where's the door? Okay, we'll get all the buffing sequences available. Ooh, Zaymar Ice Storm should just take off, man. It's not really going to get in the way, though. But I still should take it off, guys. You know me, I don't like a lot of buttons. Later, we'll take it off later. Hope everyone's doing good. If you're watching the replay, if you guys like what you see, I stream Elden Ring After Dark here on YouTube and Twitch. And if you throw me a follow or a sub on YouTube, it'd be freaking awesome. Because we're getting there, baby. We're getting there. Okay, let's go for this. Let's go for, let's just assume we're not going to have to drink health. And we'll go for buffing. Lord's Divine for it. Bring up the Ice Crag. And let's go in there and warm up with the Elden Beast. What's up? Elden Beast number 20. Caleb, what's up, man? You miss the nights, I know, man. I'm sorry. I just can't do it every night. Well, I can't do it every night and, like, you know, play music every once in a while and stuff. Like, that's why we missed last night. But we're here. We're here now, baby. Early, but didn't get hit. Early, but didn't get hit. I feel like I'm going early. Oh, how do you get hit by that, man? I wanted to miss that. That was, I think, better. That was, I think, better. Okay, okay. I got greedy. That was early, I think. I'm doing these a little early, guys. I gotta be careful. That was probably better. Reporting is happening. Okay. I knew that was early. Son of a gun. We can drink on a roll. Okay. Back to the rhythm. I always shoot one because I usually hit him in the air. He dodges one. No! Dude, that's my fault for not knowing that. And I get hit. Dude, I'm telling you, he deletes me sometimes. That was a jump. All I had to do was jump. Phase 1, I've got so nice, man. I have to do better on that. I have to remember there's a very last attack. That was where everything went to poop. Hey, Ben Coletta. Oh, that's V. Hi, V, how you doing? Welcome, guys. Welcome. And Sassy Jessica. Good evening, Mr. Charlie on Twitch. How you doing, Jessica? Good to see you. I watch the YouTube chat more than Twitch, but I'm trying to be better. I'm trying to do better, Jessica, so I'm glad you came on there. You're testing me. Oh, wait. We're going to unlearn this spell. Not that we need it, but I like to run pretty efficient, folks. Jamming video was great, Charlie. Kevin, thank you, man. Yeah, we had a good gig last night, man. A lot of fun. It started going south, man. The band leader started talking about some touchy topics, and then some guy over at the edge started to say some words that I'm like, this is a good time to stop, because I felt like it was getting out of control. And so I would last time I kept you guys up for a full set. I walked you outside. Remember we saw that guy, the crazy guy that was mumbling to himself? Yeah. But it was cool, man. It was definitely a cool little jam. And thank you very much for being there. It was cool. If you guys didn't see it, just go to Charlie Sardo Gaming. I hate to say it, guys. No, I don't hate to say it. I'm proud of it. I tried to go live to subs only. I could not figure out how to do it on my phone. I could not. I keep trying to do that. But worst thing that happens is everyone gets to see it, which is not a bad thing too, right? Music sounded great. Thanks, man. You're like, oh, V, yeah. I'm like, man, okay. Now I know who it is. I still wonder if the first one of those is hitting. So lucky. Gotta watch the double. I tanked those because I want to get some damn in, folks. That was early. I knew it was early. Wow. That was good. The double, that's the double I was talking about a minute ago, guys. Dude. Oh my god, I'm on the edge of the world. Why did it not let me fall over? Yeah. Okay. I'm getting warmed up to it, guys. We'll get to phase 2. Jesse says, I ain't staying. I'm not feeling well. Well, Jessica, thanks for coming in. I'm sure you already dropped me a follow over there. I appreciate it. Check out the YouTube too, Jessica. We could use every sub we can get. I miss it, and I have to rewatch. Yeah, Caleb, it was cool, man. The heck was that combo? Trey, what's up? Oh, Trey's been here for a minute. Hey, Caleb. Okay, I see you now, brother. I see you now. You're hidden in the sea of comments. Sometimes you just get deleted. Okay. Maybe I need to be a little more aggressive while I have the buff up. You know what I'm saying? At the beginning, like when she does the fast one, just tank it. Just tank it. Quit trying to do a no-hit. Now that I have Lord's Divine Fortification, I think it's 70 seconds, man. It's a long time. Comes at me. These. Not those. Those. Dude, no, I think I was out of stam, guys. See, I could have maybe tanked those while I have the buff up. Dude. See what I'm saying? No! I got that one off, right? Okay, this is going to be all about as much of the ash as we can do, of the skill. Yep, not bad. Not bad. I got in the wrong spot for it. Shouldn't have done that. Got some damn, though. Just don't do the pizza cutters at me right now. Okay. 6 health pots. I think we're going to wait. I don't know which way to run. I should have looked. I knew how to read it before. I knew how to read it before, but... Fire. I just run away from the fire, guys. I don't know what to do. Okay. Okay, I want to get a couple big sword things and another ash off after I roll the belly flop. That was a slam. I rolled too early, but I got lucky. Got too lucky there. And there's my chance. Same thing coming in. Belly flop. Oh my god, he hit me with that one. Okay, guys. This is the new plan, guys. This is the new plan. Phase 2 hype is really real. See that, guys? That is the first time with the new improved Shard of Alexander. Shard of Alexander, guys. The huge shard. That's good. That's really good. That bodes well. If I can survive a little bit longer, right? Survive a little bit longer and get a few more of those in. Because we've had him to under 10% a couple of times. And he would have been dead by then. You know what I'm saying? Dude, that chicken parmesan was so good. I feel like I maybe should have added a little bit of basil. If you guys are wondering about that, you could see that at Charlie Sardo Gaming, my dinner. I was going to go out, guys. I wanted a nice dinner, and I was just going to go out and eat. But I'm like, I wasn't up to it. I'm like, I don't feel like going out. What do you got? You got chicken, and dude, that mozzarella, guys, I got that at the freaking dollar store. Literally, not just Dollar General. At the straight 99-cent store. I got a little bag for 99 cents. Guys, it was so good. Okay. It's a move. That right there, to a first-time viewer, someone might be like, well, that wasn't very good. You died. It's like, yeah. That was my first Elden Beast of the night. Yeah, I missed that dodge. Yeah, oh my god. Dude, how do you wait so long? Do you see that? How I tanked that, though? I tanked that, guys. I need freaking stamp, bro. Oh, I felt like I rolled at the wrong spot there, too. Dude, why would I do that? Should be nice. It's like always at the end. I just like, look at that, mutual. I just won't, I won't stay calm, but the problem is when it starts going to crap, that was still my second best Radagon of the night, even though it was a failure. Hey, we made it to phase 2, guys. We made it to phase 2, right? Okay. We don't need to see me die. Yeah, we don't need to see that. Oh, it's so embarrassing, folks. It's okay. It's okay. This is a hybrid build, man. And my trinkets are split. I've got like a sorcery trinket for Radagon, and I'm using my flask for damage negation and magic damage against Radagon. And then I got a bunch of my stuff is geared for Elden Beast. And this has been the best I've been able to get this so far, guys. And I want to do this tonight, guys. I want to do this tonight. I want to get this thing done, man. I got to focus up. I got to focus up before it gets stale, baby. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you could tell tonight. I think tonight could be the night, guys. Tonight could be the night, and I just got to stay focused. I just put the air on. You know what? Let's game, guys. You guys want to game? What if we gamed? Is it gonna make noise? Is this dead silent right here? Yeah. I can hear it now. Okay, good. Let me turn this down. Okay, now we have cues, guys. Now we have audio cues. Ooh. I thought that was way too early. The Billy Mullenix theory, guys. Thought that was early, but I'm okay. I looked at my keyboard just now. Why would I do that? Gotta watch for the double. See, that's the one I have to go in on. Well, let me buff up. Try to do a Starlight Shard too. I try to do a Starlight Shard. I'm like, anything. I just open up the window. I'm like, Starlight Shard, go for it. Okay. Why would I do that so fast? I roll way too early. I got hit by the freaking the. Five. I'm gonna top off. I wish I didn't have to. I didn't see where he was looking. I'm supposed to look where he's looking when he does that. That. I hate when he does that because I can't see what he's doing. Spamming, guys. He's spamming. The belly flop's getting me, guys. I'm not going to hit him there. Yeah, it's still, you know what? It still feels good, guys. I'm getting bad belly flops, man. I'm afraid to try and roll it on the left. I got the first two belly flops, first attempt, perfect, right? And then I end up too far on the left, and I feel like I need to be more on the right of him. I think I got to stop running at the dodge. When he does the one swipe, I know it's a positioning. It's positioning. If it is up to me, it is up to be. Radagon gone. Got to be 50% in no time fast. Yeah, no kidding. No kidding. There is a lot of things that can be happening right now in this. What I mean is there's a lot to that at how much damage that this is doing. Right there, I felt like that could be it. I need to stop thinking about it. I'm not rushing. It's the worst thing so far has been the positioning on the belly flop. Positioning on the belly flop. And I know what I got to do. I already know. All right, a little bit of Radagon, and these have been crappy Radagons, guys. These have been crappy Radagons. So let's go. Let's get a good Radagon. You see how the health pots don't even matter, man. How many health pots I have. He either deletes me or he doesn't. You know what I mean? And I got a ton of health, guys. You like to punish? The double! She sneaks him in! I was cool with that. Wow, I kind of blew something there. I did that was greedy. That was 1,000,000% my fault, guys. I have no mana. Oh. I blew the buffing, but I think we're still gonna be okay. I think we're still gonna be okay, guys. Because I think I got it now. Wow, wow, wow. I didn't click the button. I didn't get the buff. I didn't get the buff off. All right. That was all buffing sequence, man. I hit the wrong freaking button. I hit the wrong freaking button. That sucks. It wasn't a great Radagon, but it wasn't a horrible Radagon. Best beast battle is a war of attrition. You're cruising it though. Nailed it. Yeah. The belly flop. I did better on a belly flop. Okay. Yeah. I don't know how. This will be two-handed. I un-two-hand it and hit one. Wait. Two-handed. Yeah. It's two-handed. I un-two-hand it and hit one. And two-handed. I mean, what's the problem? You know what I'm saying? Hit one. Hit one. Just change your freaking weapon. Okay. Second verse. Better than the first. We got this, man. We freaking got this. Focus. Time to focus, folks. Time to ooh, I should Starlight Shard too before going in. You know that? I really think I should. Because I have some. I have Starlight Shards. I don't like to be that close. Stam. You guys like the back and forth? Am I goofing around? That was early! It's a chance to drink right there, though. One. Here. Golden bow. Okay, I get the buffs off. Big damn! Right here. Nope. I tried to improve on that, guys. And that was a slam. I'm supposed to see that. Yep. And that's one I still don't know how to... Oh, no! Don't drink two. That's one I still don't know how to beat. Got it. That was a mistake. That was a mistake. I never know where he's going to be. I hate the fire, guys, because I just run away from it. And it's just more time. I should have maybe buffed right there. Should I buff? Like, how the hell am I supposed to dodge that stuff? Back in the fight, folks. God, I wish I could have got behind him. I don't think I would have made it, guys. We've done almost no damn in a minute. Okay. Oh, and that's the stabby stab. Okay, it's under 50%. And I got a belly flop. I got a whole bunch of stars. I think I need to not be so far away from him if I'm going to freaking unrelenting heat-seeking flame. Yeah, it came twice, man. It came twice. Did it not come twice? I think he did it twice in a row, man. And that's not just... What is that one called? Is that Elden Stars? Which one is Elden Stars? There's one that leaves a little trail behind you. That one you just run. Right? But the... I just got... Stop pressing my 2 button. I don't even... Like, I should almost take that... Well, I can't take that off of there, huh? Okay. It doesn't matter what it's called. I couldn't outrun them both. Going in, folks. I'm starting to survive longer with the Elden Beast. We're going to get some hits. We're going to get some hits. I missed a sword thing, too. I'm trying to remember what the hell I did with that. Didn't throw nothing at me. I got greedy, but the timing I usually do okay on that. And I hardly took any damn if you look at it. I hardly took any damn. All right. Not too bad. Shouldn't have done that. Nine health pots. I wasted a health pot, guys. Oh my god. That was a great punish, guys, and I really blew it. I usually get hit by that. Shouldn't have done that. Stam. That was dumb. That might have been the difference, guys. Yeah. That was just bad. It's all just looking so much more under control, man. It's channel the power of the affordable mozzarella. Unrelating heat. Yeah. Oh, okay, guys. We freaking got this, man. The thing to do. Guys, I wasn't tuning my weapon, but I was like, oh, hey, Lord's Divine Fortification. Knock one out. I almost feel like I might want more mana. Because, you know what? Inventorio, Rune Arc. Use. Now check this out. Starlight Shard, baby. Think it was worth the time, Trey? It might. It might be. We're getting free mana right now as we speak. Well, once I hit escape. Felt like that was early. I like the grab. She's bugged. Dude, I was blinded for a second there. Why does that anchor say no skill? I don't know if I could do that on the slam, guys. The grab! Okay, wait, we have full health with the Earth Tree Favor, though. Guys, look at what the grab did. It didn't do anything to me. Come on. You should be more tired. Yeah. And I went too early. I just fell apart right there. Now it says Destined Death because the staff he uses for spells doesn't have an Ash of War or skill. Where does it even say what you're saying? Why does it that anchor say no skill? Oh, Destined Death, and there's one that says no skill. You know, I was probably talking about me after that last poll. Yeah, I'm still feeling good about this, guys. I'm still feeling good about this. Back into it, folks. I'm going to stay on this fool until he's done. Yeah. I was when he does a hand slam. That's probably like the second time I've rolled that, and I've probably been hit by it by 10 or 11 times. So that was a good thing. But then I went for the skill right after that, and there's not enough time. That could be maybe a charged attack or just whack him. That was the last attack that I missed. Dang it! No! Get it! If he starts ducking, does that mean I got it? Or does it have to cast? I think it has to cast. There we go. Okay, it bled over. Okay. Can I do it after the grab? I just tested that. You can. I can do it after the grab. Too far away. Oh, I did something stupid there. I did something stupid there, man. I whacked, guys. I did something stupid there. That was a mistake. That was just a mistake. Yeah, the dodge and the grab was good. And we know now after the grab, that's a punish with the ash, right? With the skill. That's good. See, all this stuff I didn't know. I'm learning all that with this build. You know what I'm saying? And that's all going to come in handy as we move forward in the kill. Well, crush a little starlight shard. Thank you very much for the sweet dodge on the grab. If you're just getting here, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, play chess. We play Elden Ring After Dark. This is my 20th Elden Beast attempt. Yet only my second no summons playthrough. And I'm NG plus 8. And I'm getting close on Elden Beast, man. We're getting it under control. Radagon is not my little boy. But we're getting through him pretty good lately. I think that was a pure holy damage, and the Earth True Favor really helped with that, guys. I felt like I jumped that, but I don't know. It wasn't enough, obviously. The charge, the charge. Did they make it to where... Oh, my God. I wanted to heal. This is a horrible Radagon. It's just a horrible Radagon. It's okay, though. It's all practice. Why would I do that? I don't know, but... Stam, guys. I was really low on stam. I'm going to Lord's Divine Favor behind him. Get him! That wasn't too awfully bad. 6 pots. Don't know how to beat that, and I'm at the edge of the world too. That's bad. I hate running away. But it's, I guess it beats the alternative, right, guys? I'm never looking at him, guys. I'm never looking at him. So far away. But this will give me a reason to run at him. Let's go. I mean, it's got to be a timing thing, guys. It's got to be a timing thing. I saw it coming, and I knew I didn't have time for the ash. That was learned from the last one, guys. Even though I got hit by it, I saw it coming, and I didn't do the ash. So that's an improvement. I hate when he does that. Nice little smash again. I blew it. I usually get hit right there. I'm getting better at those, guys. I'm getting better at those. He looked so tired. Same thing. I deserve to die there. When I roll next to him, I have time for that ash. Guys, that's the best attempt so far today. And I really, really screwed up a little bit. But that was the best attempt so far today. It's getting better, guys. It's getting better. All right, people say every time Charlie beats the Elden Beast, an angel gets chicken parm. That's a record, guys. That's a record for today, right? With this build, we're learning the weapon. We're learning the build. I need to not be as freaking greedy. Okay. Let's just get back into it, folks. Let's just have a good Elden Beast. No Starlight Shard. I got 4 Rune Arcs left. The Rune Arcs, they kind of help, but at this level, they kind of don't, I don't think. Because you don't have enough health pots. They give you more options to top off is what they do. You know what I'm saying? I never... Could you leave me alone? Could you leave me alone for a second? Yeah, I like rolling those to the left. I never even dreamed of it. Yep, and that was a mistake. She wants to kill me so bad. Just the melee deletion, guys. Oh. I forgot that was one where she would do that attack. I've heard people say, yeah. Am I two-handed? Nope. What did I do? It's like, just drink. You know you need to drink everything, so just drink. 4 health pots. You know what? It doesn't make a difference. What matters is we're buffed and we're aggressive. I wasn't look. Oh my god, he got the cheapo in, guys. He got the cheapo in. He got the cheapo in. Hey, you're kind of close for once in our life. Hey, you gotta watch him. I can't see what he's doing. I guess I gotta run. If I have a chance, I gotta run at him and go under him on that thing. That is the first time I've seen that attack. Well, not the first time I've seen it. That's not the same one he did earlier, is it? It's not, I don't think. That was the same one, I think. I don't know, maybe it was. Maybe it was. Maybe I wasn't paying attention to. He went way up on that one. I think I'm supposed to run into him on that one. I don't know, but what I did probably wasn't optimum. If you're new to the stream, you like what you see, throw me a sub. I'm trying to beat my 20th Elden Beast, folks, with no help. I have not done any summons on this playthrough, and we got this far. This might be one of my longest bosses. I put a lot of time into the first Fire Giant. I put a lot of time into Radagon with my Bubble Boy build. But I think I'm approaching it. See the dam? She missed it, though. I don't know if I should have drank there. Wow, I almost really blew that. Wow, how was that out of a... I suck at the transition, guys. I suck at the transition. Come on, let's go. Let's go! Do I buff? That was dumb. I'm not even two-handed. Oh, I am two-handed. No, I'm not two-handed. Now I'm two-handed. Yeah, he's doing the dumb thing. 8 pots. Should I top off? We haven't run out of pots yet, guys. It's something to consider. Do I have time? Because okay. Timing's weird when it's close, guys. I got it off last time, right? Is there a reason why you're supposed to run fast? I always feel like there's a little break right there. I saw that coming, guys. I saw it coming, and I know I can't punish it with the long attack. So I could punish if I get in there quick enough! Come on! No. Okay. Oh, I should have topped off. And I shouldn't have let him hit me right there. That's okay. How we doing on mana? We got mana. We got health. Belly flop coming. This might be it. Or it's going to be close. Just focus. Just focus! Yeah, baby! 20th Elden Beast! You saw it here! Oh my god! I want a freaking drink. Guys, we freaking did it. We freaking did it, man. Oh my god. I swear to god, I wish I could fake this. I wish I was a freaking good streamer, guys. I wish I could fake this. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so freaking happy, guys. Jesus. We freaking did it with that build, man. With that build. Cat was the one that brought this this freaking weapon to us, man. Cat was the one that said try it, man. And she said you're not doing the skill enough. Oh my god, guys. I swear to god I'm emotional right now. I'm so shaking, man. I'm so shaking. Dude. That last belly flop would have killed me. We dodged the freaking belly flop, and then we knew we could get that punish, man. That was beautiful, man. That was freaking beautiful. Wow. Who wants to play on the astrologer? Nice, relaxing Elden Ring. It'll be fun. What do you do at level like 54, I think? Oh, my. What ending? Do we even have an ending here, folks? I pick up my runes off the ground over there, but I don't pick up runes. I have 1,275,000 runes. That is exactly half of a level for me. Christopher Williams, what's up, dude? Okay, guys, come on. Cutscene, man. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I have... Guys. Okay, I'll get it. Guys, if you're just getting in here, man, we just freaking killed my 20th Elden Beast. No summons all the way through, guys. Guys, it's my first Souls game. It's my first Souls game. And this is only my second no summons playthrough. Yeah. Yeah, no, I take a couple hits, guys. I take a hit here and there. Jeez Louise. Caleb, I have a tambourine for you when you decide to join the band. Yeah, man. 20 angels get chicken parmesan. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, we play Elden Ring After Dark. I just killed my 20th Elden Beast, and I can't even believe it. And I'll tell you something, man. I made a video. Was it this playthrough? Yeah, I think it was this playthrough for Godfrey, and it's here on the YouTube channel. And you know, when I killed him, I was like beside myself. Like I was like, I didn't think I could do it. You know how you start to... Do you guys ever start to question yourself on bosses and stuff? Not supposed to be like that, guys. We're supposed to know that we can do this. We have to overcome, right? We're supposed to know. Sometimes after, 80 attempts. Oh, you see, I had an attempt tonight counter, and I didn't even reset it. But you know what? That I can even meet that attempt counter, but that's probably how many times did it take us, man?
Upon us and recall.
8 or 9 or something. I get the Dober ready for Hallig Tree session. Nice, man. Guys, I got the band booked. I got the killer band booked for the Chillers get together on the 23rd in Marble Falls, Texas. Go to Facebook, go to the top, click the event, and come hang out, man. I got the cool band, and we may have something that's going to make the band over the top. It's just cool stuff happening, guys. Cool stuff happening. Okay, here. Oh, begin journey 10. I'm going to say no. I don't need to start my NG plus 9. Hey, Charlie, would you ever play Dark Souls? The Venom. I don't know, man. It's hard for me to go back. Flat Platinum, welcome to the stream, man. How you doing, Flat? Flat Platinum, that's a cool name. What does it mean? It's hard for me to go back to older games, man. I think, I mean, I have so much fun playing this, and I'm going to have so much fun playing Shadow of the Erd Tree. I would probably, if I was done playing Elden Ring for now, I'm going to log into the Astrologer. I would probably go finish Lies of P. I never finished Lies of P. I got kind of bored with it, man. You know what I mean? I got the vibe. I felt it. And I was just like, something happened. A new Warzone map dropped, or MW3 dropped or something, and I started playing that. And because I wanted to. I don't just follow hype. I don't follow hype trains. What's that, Pal World? Does anyone know Pal World? Yeah. I don't even know what it is. It looks cartoonish, and they say it looks mysteriously like Pokemon, right? I've never seen it. I've never seen gameplay of it. I don't know anything about it. I'm just not the guy that finds because you know what? A trend is not going to save me. A trend is not going to save my stream. A trend is not going to build my community. It's just not. Doesn't mean that we can't play stuff. And now I got on a tangent about you asking about Dark Souls, and I'm just talking about jumping onto new things and stuff, right? But I tried Skyrim, man, but I never played Skyrim when it was new. And so I came into Skyrim and I'm like, yeah, it seems kind of like an older game. And I gave it a shot. I rode in the cart. They were going to chop my head off. Really? You should have been there. It was freaking horrifying. A freaking dragon saved me. Where? Oh, the astrologer is easy to find. Not astrologers. That's this one right here. But there's astrologer level 56, folks. This is a replay of my very first Souls game ever. My very first Elden Ring run through. I found the Meteor Staff and the Rock Sling by myself. It was not recommended to me. At least I don't remember it being. I remember getting ported to K-Lid. I remember it all. And I did my whole playthrough with these clothes on right here, man. I killed the Elden Beast with these clothes on right here and a Rock Sling, folks. But I use summons. And so, and on Fire Giant, I even summoned my real life son. And he came in and killed it for me pretty much. I mean, I had about 12, 13 hours into the Fire Giant, and I was getting better at it. Now, we have 4K runes. It's nowhere near a level. So you're gonna play some summons play now, or switch into a different game, Caleb. I maybe neither of those. Right now, who's talking? Oh, there's a guy right here. Yeah, right now I'm checking out the astrologer to see where the astrologer's at. And I just want to check this level. Yeah, 18K for a level. Yeah, we're nowhere near it, man. Level 54, what do you do, guys? Last stream, when we got disconnected, we did Sophia River, right? That was yesterday, before the gig. The 4 French fries are open. Carrier Manor is complete. Run la 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 is gone. I don't know, man. Trade. You have a character around this level, don't you? Is there something we can do? Something I can help you with, Train? Give Skull and Bones a go. It's free at the moment. Skull and Bones. There must have been something in the mozzarella. Dude, there was some... You know what, man? I'm telling you. I'm trying, guys. I'm freaking trying. And I was learning. Like I said, I dodged my first hand smash. You're like, what's a hand smash? The hands... It looks like he's going to do the purple poopies. Because he comes up and it looks like gravity kind of purple poopies. But then he goes, bam, and slams his hand on you. Right? I dodged my first one of those today. I mean, that's improvement. And then I tried to Ash, and I didn't have time. It was a bad punish, and it cost me. There were big improvements today in that fight, man. Big improvements in that freaking fight. What I need now is usually get back in your COD. It would be fun to play some hardcore together. Yeah, that's true, man. Power to just a survival game, Pokemon with guns. Okay. And you know I'm old because I just said Pokemon, guys. I didn't mean to say it. Trey, did you want to run something, man? I did Sophia River already. I might head to the cave, guys. I might head to this little cave right here. Celia Crystal Tunnel. Maybe go get me a bell bearing. You know, you say, what do you need the smithing stone bell bearing for? Because that's where it is, right, guys? If Trey decides he wants to jump in and do something, we can do it, man. I'll set up my laptop. Radagon had a bad day. Oh, man. You can also get back into... Oh, yeah. We're going to go do a tunnel, folks. Little tunnel called Celia Crystal Tunnel. Okay. On the astrologer build, rock sling. I do have in my left hand, I have a little sword, guys. And I've been leveling it. I wanted to melee... I say melee wrong. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring After Dark. And I say melee instead of melee. There's been quite a few... It's not over there, is it? I'm already there, man. I'm already freaking there. Well, like, for instance, when I was killing the little girls, the little book chuckers, right? With the freaking... In the hat. You know what I'm talking about. You gotta whack them. And, I mean, can you even whack something with your staff? I don't even know if you can or not. I only have... We got to be creeping up on 1,400 hours, guys. I said I was at 1,400 hours a week or two ago, and then realized I misspoke, and I clarified, and it was 1,300 hours. But that was like a week or two ago, guys. And we've been playing. We've been gaming, man. We've been gaming. All right, guys. What's the boss at the end of this thing? Does anyone have a record? And by the way, in this playthrough, I'm allowed to use like glintstone arcs and glintstone pebbles, and it's just mainly a rock sling build. Raya Luke. Oh, this is not Celia Crystal Tunnel. This is Raya Lucaria Tunnel. Duh. See, people are like, he doesn't even know that. I don't, guys. I remember this though, and I remember there's loot up here. Oh, one thing about me, guys, I will get loot to my detriment. I mean, if it costs me a whack in the head, there's no loot back there. You know, there's a message that said like liar ahead or something, or why is it always lie, or cracked crystal. What do you do with that if you're looking for a new game? No Man's Sky. Yeah, I bet it is, man. But you know what? The thing is, I'm really not looking for a new game. I bet, wow, whoa. Okay, let's just parkour. Huh? Did I pass the loot? No, loot's over here. Hey, man. I remember the first time I did that, it took me a few tries. Kuya Joey Official, how are you this evening at Sardo Gaming? Dude, I'm great. How you doing, my friend? How are you doing, man? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like what you see. Hey, does anyone watch the Josh feed? The Josh feed? Elden Ring streamer. He does no death runs. He is a good player. He's a good player. He's not like a superstar player. He's not Gino Machino or freaking Lil Aggie or Bushy or one of these guys. Whoa. Easy, guys. Jesus. Oh, my God. There's no way I die here. I can't die here. Okay, let's see if we can get some loot before I didn't get that. We come for the loot, baby. I can't loot that? Should I have just killed stuff? I feel like I shouldn't have. Was there anything up here? Should I heal? There'll probably be a steak of Marika, right, guys? Ooh, baby, when you talk like that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Dude, how do they shoot so many bullets so fast? It's because there's more than one? See, all I had to do was like 2-shot each of those and they'd be done, right? Flat platinum says magma. Magma worm, okay. Yeah. Kuya, Joey, you watch Josh all the time. Check this out, dude. This warmed my heart and it gave me just... Someone said something today really nice to me on my stream and on my page. Sometimes people say things and it's, you know, when you're streaming, if you don't know, guys, I make a living doing this. If you're new to the stream, I make a living doing this. I work Tuesday nights for 3 hours hosting open mic. Every bit of all my other income is from this, other than sometimes I'll go play a gig playing guitar too. But this is what I do. I'm a Facebook gaming streamer. I'm a Facebook gaming partner. And this is what I do for a living. And I'm always trying to make it better. And I've been doing this for 3.5 years on Facebook, making money and having fun. That's a shortcut, right? So, I should have... Whoa. Well, yeah, there's loot in there. There's loot in there too. And so I'm watching Josh, the Josh feed, and people were talking about Gino, and they were talking about Little Aggie and this and that. And I said, you know, we all watch the God streamers. I said, yet here we are, because. Well, that ledge saved me. Clip it! Did you guys see that? I said, we all watch the God streamers, yet here we are, you know, meaning we're watching Josh. Josh is a great freaking streamer. He doesn't put a face cam, guys. He's got a good personality. He's very kind. He's a good Souls player. Is he the top in the world? I don't think he is, guys. He's better than me? Yeah, I think he is. So I just said something like to that effect, like, you know, we all watch the God streamers, yet here we are. And then Josh says, oh, hey, Charlie, what's up? He said, I enjoy your videos when I'm at work. And I'm like, dude. I mean, you know, saying my name is like, you know, I mean, that's, you guys all know. Sometimes people talk to chat, right? He said he watches my videos when he's at work. And I know you guys do the same thing. And he's no more important than you guys, but the fact that he's a fellow content creator that has, like, you know, 70, 60 times more subs than I have on YouTube, and he had like 425 people watching, you know, and I don't know what my peak is on YouTube. I don't care. We'll get there when everyone finds out about the community. But it just made me feel so good, man. It made me feel so good. It's like that another streamer. It made me, when Nick Savage, guys. It made me feel so good when I found out who Nick Savage was. He was just in our chat. I didn't know who he was. And then I found out that that he was there because he liked to stream, man. It's like, what? Oh, here's another cool thing I can show you guys. Look at this. Look at this. Wait. I gotta go. Ready? Ready for it? Golden Bow, folks. It's the low rent Golden Bow, but you know what? It's my Golden Bow. We're gonna do this first. Dogs. Rocksling, I think, is gonna be good against this, right? Because it's physical. Stagger! Big damn, big damn, big damn. These things, they melt once you stagger them, right? I mean, if you kill them... Is this thing gonna throw something at me? You can kill her, you know, dogs. Okay, okay, maybe we're a little bit too high level for this, but... Oh, and, Oh yeah, I'm like, where'd my 12 million runes go? Oh yeah, no, they're sleeping on the on the Snow Witch build. Which, by the way, yeah, that was a Snow Witch. I know he had Dung Eater clothes on. I was getting freaking killed, guys. What was it? What was it called? The Erd Tree's Favor. Was that the one? That spell, game changer for Elden Beast. Game changer for Elden Beast and Radagon. I highly suggest it. Yeah. Why you using wolves? Flat, because I can. On this playthrough, this is a reenactment-ish of my first Elden Ring playthrough. And on my first Elden Ring playthrough, I used summons. And I just finished my second no summons run. This is my first Souls game. So I'm not like this great Souls player or anything. I can figure some stuff out every once in a while, folks. Oh, wait. It took me back to the... We could just port somewhere and grab a grace, right? We don't need to... We need to worry about that. Okay, so we got that done. We got the ball bearing. So, yeah, I got the low rent Golden Bow Ash. That's kind of cool, huh? Sup, everybody? Mullinix, how you doing, man? Oh, but now when you say why am I using wolves, were you asking, like, why aren't you using a different summons? Or are you asking, like, why are you using summons at all? Whoa, hey, that was a pretty good look. Whoa, that looks uncomfortable. Hello. Hello, better get off there. Show is for kids, folks. I use summons. I just never use wolves. Yeah, would you use the jellyfish? Where do we get Glovewort Force, guys? That's what we can work on. That's something we can do. Glovewort Force. Or the Grave and the Glove. Yeah, where do we get those? I think we've already done Cliff Bottom Catacombs. We've already done Lakeside Crystal Cave, which there's none there, but we also did Road's End Catacombs. So are the fours like already getting into Altus? They're not over here, are they? Am I too low level to go running through Caelid? Oh wait, do we get any? We still don't have a level, but let's check our inventorio. Yeah, we have $7,738, and let us check our level was 8K something, man. Kuya Joey official says on my very first run through, still, haha, the kids have been hogging the Xbox for some game called Power World. Some game we were just talking about Power World. Oh no, 18K. Okay, so it means nothing. It means nothing. Okay. Yeah, I wouldn't mind running down and getting that map frag, and also going to this catacombs. This catacomb, I don't think I'm gonna freaking bother killing everything in it. I think what I'm probably gonna do is run through and loot it like a little you know what. Radon's Catacomb. I'm known for running through that one, man. I'll run through, grab the Gloveworts, die. Run through, grab the Gloveworts, die. Once I get past that freaking archer in the hall, he's annoying, guys, isn't he? And wait, isn't the boss in that one like the ulcerated tree serpent? What are they called? So are we teaming up? Assemble the band. Yeah, what do you want to do? But Billy Monlix says absolutely not. Caelid is ginger beer. Screw those burbs. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, this is such a great game, man. Has the whole... Oh, yeah. Trey, what level are you? Do you have something that you want to do? I want to do these... Have you done these catacombs yet in Caelid? Oh my god. I woke up the poopy dragon. Guys, this is so bad. You think he's going to chase me all the way to the map frag? No. I just woke him up. He doesn't know why he's awake. He just knows someone woke him up. We're going to buy the map frag, or get the map frag. No, not 22nd Elden Beast, where it's Jeff Connolly. I freaking killed him, dude. I killed him, and I'm getting emotional about it. Dude, it's so freaking hard sometimes, man. Guys, doing it in front of people, man. Them watching you fail. You know what I'm saying? You guys are like, I know you guys are here for the freaking journey. I get it. Crackpot? If we ever need that, we'll come back for it. You know what I mean? I know you guys are here for the journey and the community and everything else, but sometimes it's time to kill the boss. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, there's birds over here, right? Yeah, there's one. I know where I'm going. Says, so are we teaming up? Yeah. You're level 250. Falling makes winning so much better. Summon the Dung Eater to fight the Poopy Dragon. I don't have the Dung Eater on this character. Jay. Whoa. Oh my god, am I not even on the right level for the catacomb? It's down further? Oh no. The red-eyed dog's gonna see us, guys. Those things... Oh my god, this guy's howling. He's freaking me out, guys. Oh, we're dead. We're dead. That almost looked like a glove ward, but I think it was a skull. Summons a Dung Eater to fight the Poopy Dragon. What the hell was that? So you said you're level 250? That character that I just finished with was like level 4. I think he's level 444, if I remember right. I think he's level 444. Yeah, I think 444. You want to come to Kaylee Catacombs, Trey? Help me get some glove warts. These are probably like 5s or something. I need 4s. Try level 713. Billy, that's crazy, man. Trey, you down? Yeah, Billy. Adam was that way too. Adam Martin had a max character. Trey, am I putting down the dirty finger at the Caleb Catacombs? Caleb. I said Caleb. Caleb. Like, that's somebody's name. Does anyone know anyone named Caleb? Caleb. Oh, I remember. My buddy Guido. His brother was named Caleb. I haven't gotten into Caleb yet. I'll have to travel. So you tell me where to meet you. You can look at my map. Oh, wait. Let me come back. Is he still at the door? Why can't I look at my map? Because we're in a dungeon or something? Okay. You know, I haven't done whatever it takes to get... Oh, my God. To Altus. If you want to go run like the Ruin Struin Precipice. Is that what it's called? I don't know how to say it, guys. I don't know words. It's crazy. The one with the magma worm. Wait, let's see what level. We got a 4, folks. We just got our first 4. This is what I need. I need 4s, bruh. I need 4s or I'm never going to get through the game. Come on. Okay, we're going to have to see with this fool. And I'm going to have to get a full on him. I am. And that's what my sword's for, guys. See? That's why I'm leveling up a sword. A melee weapon. Frogs? No frogs? Okay. Shout out Caleb, mod arguer extraordinaire. Why don't you go to main academy gate and go through the blue door? And then meet you where? Because I kind of want... Glove Ward 4s while I'm here. Do these flowers move? They're putting the poopy all over me. And this one here is big. And there's a glove wart behind them too. Oh my god. They moved it. There was a grave and a glove right there, guys. Did you see that? I'll do that right when as soon as I grab some more of these glove warts, okay? Trey, I promise. I promise. Is this the one? Well, I'm probably going to have to kill a boss too, right? I don't remember ever seeing those doors open. Has anyone ever seen those doors open? This is probably like one of the very few dungeons where you pull the lever and see the doors opening. You know what I mean? Billy, was that pun towards me? Caleb Boyd. It's so funny. I'm all, does anyone know anyone named Caleb? And I'm like, wait a minute. Caleb's here. You had to call you into the chat somehow, Mr. Boyd. You're rotted. Need Bulbasaurus. Yeah. Let me see. Inventorio. I guess. I think the Grace is probably close, right? The Grace is probably close. It should be close. Because the Grace is usually close. Oh, it's so far. It is far away. Why is it so far away, man? I'm going to rest, but you know what? I'm going to rest. I got no Bulbasaurs. That's the problem, guys. My balls sore because I got no Bulbasaurs. And then I'm going to run through here. I think I can do it, guys. Try fingers. Jeff Conley, man. Without you, I wouldn't know what to do, man. Guys, we're going to try fingers. What does it mean? The first time I ever saw that, guys, I was streaming. I was streaming when I played the game, bro. And you know what? I'm like, oh, there's a message on the ground. Oh, come on. There's a message on the ground. Maybe I can read it. It was before Grafted Scion, man. I mean, it was early. They inducted me early, folks. Try, finger, but hole. Dude, stop with that. Okay, did we make it without the full proc? Bump my head. Hey, okay. Now, I am allowed to summon. We have options. Ooh, I should have, since I reset it, I should have went and leveled my dogs. I have a jellyfish and I have the 3 dogs, and I think they're both +3. So my question is, which one do we summon? If you know the boss behind the wall, oh, you said, did you say a magma worm? Was that the one that's here? Did you say balls be sore? Yeah, it's my favorite Pokemon. Thanks, Billy. That would be useful. Did not realize they could be upgraded. Oh, they get upgraded, all right. Yeah, yeah, man. That's what these flowers I was just picking. These are level 4 gloveworts, ghost and grave gloveworts, and those are what you use. Caleb says I have to admit I argued a few times in chat, but I've been minding my P's and Q's. Caleb, I don't remember you arguing that much in chat. Were you really? I probably wasn't looking. Flat Platinum says, I'm playing Liza P for the first time in like a year and a half, and I'm getting my butt beat by the final boss or after Simon Manus. Yeah, I made it to like, I think boss number like 7 or something. And I was like, yeah. Like I said, I think something dropped, man. Molten hot magma, like the shark with lasers. That's going to suck. Because nothing's going to help. The dogs are going to get melted. The jellyfish is going to get melted. He's going to pick me up and eat me. Sounds like fun. Let's go. I don't think... Let's just look and see if we have anything that's going to help us. Temporarily boost immunity. Boost stamina recovery. Physical attack. Ooh, physical attack. Dude. You guys want to just bust an exalted flesh? And, oh, and let's just look at our equipment, too. I have greatly raises attributes, but also increases damage taken. And I could put on something else like increases bow effective range. This works for my rock sling, guys. I know it's not going to be a big room, but I still will be able to hit him from across the room. And the fact is, we're level 50. At level 55, guys, that this talisman... Radagon Sword Seal, it's a big difference when like you're level 15, right? But when you're like level 54 or something, it's not near as much, right? My favorite messages left in Roundtable Hold. There's 2 sets of armor. One says, wish I had legs. Another one says, wish I had head. Armor is missing, legs and head. Okay, this is not the magma worm. I just found him before I came here. It was in the tunnel, and the big pot guy was outside the room. Okay, so what is this one? Well, you know what? I'll go in and see if I can do it on the fly. I still feel like I should do anything but... I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it, guys. We're going to go in. And we're gonna come in planning on a rock sling. Oh, wait. We're going to buff because we have it, right? Let's go in. And then whatever. I want jellyfish. Oh my god, it's a noob. It's baby, guys. I didn't know. I mean, how is this thing so freaking so weak? How's it so weak? But check this out. You guys want to see something crazy? Check out the range on this. You guys have probably seen it. You guys have probably seen it. Check out the range on the rock sling with the Arrow's Reach Talisman. It's way crazy far, guys. It's way crazy far. You know what I'm saying? It would fall before then in a normal scenario. 14K, the guys, that gives us a level. So, Trey, you want me to go to Academy Gate, you said, and then take the port. Yeah, Bellum Church. Yeah. That's the one you're talking about, right? Guys, I got my glove warts. I got runes. I can level puppies. Rock sling made it squishy. You can sling for miles. I've got miles and miles of rock sling. All full show tune voice here, guys. All the stars up in the sky. I can get wacky sometimes, folks. One thing you guys got to remember, folks. We haven't seen this one forever. Not wacky, folks. Not wacky. All right, folks. When's Valentine's Day, by the way? Hey, baby. If you're out there lurking, you like what you see, drop me a sub. Use your finger. Try your finger. Valentine's Day's coming up. We're all feeling the love. Sexy sex. Cue the sexy sex. Yeah, man. This goes away in like, what, 3 or 4 days, folks? So we got to do some Valentine's Day lurker love before we move on to St. Patrick's Day lurker love, which I freaking love. So this was not supposed to be creepy, guys. It just ended up creepy. Wow. You absolutely love to see it, folks. Charlie Sardo Gaming showing the YouTube platform, what we've been doing on Facebook for 3.5 years, building the community. Okay, it's not really creepy like that, guys. Like I said, that was not intended to be creepy. It was actually meant to be fun, like all the other lurker loves. Still going, 14th, I think. Yes, Wednesday. Echo Mike. Ooh, there we go. Thank you. I forget to shut it off. So, I always forget to shut it off. Jay's on top of it, baby. I get the best mods in the world, folks. He got itchy trigger fingers, okay? They will try finger, all right? So, we can level him up. What? We have a 5? They're both level 5! They're both level 5! I should have saved one set of these because, you know, we're going to get like a mimic tier or something, and we're not going to be able to level them up. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, 18K for the levels. Creepy is relative. Yeah. No, plus, you know, creepy is as creepy does, right? There might be a lot of people out there that they're like, I like creepy. I like creepy. Do we offer a... It won't even let me offer a ball bearing, you know? No, we got... Offer ball bearing. Perch A's. We can buy smithing stone 1s and 2s now. Is that all? Just 1s and 2s? Where the hell do you get the 3s from, guys? What did we loot? I have 3 1s and 7 2s. I guess I was running through that dungeon like a freaking, like a psycho, right? So, Trey, are you already there, Trey? Or do you already move on to something else? Main Academy Gate? Main? No, just Academy Gate, right? I'm in the wrong spot. I don't know words, guys. I don't know names. The OG Lurker Love is built creepy. Yeah, and I can't read it because the YouTube. Yeah. And we take, let me see. Yeah, this is the one that takes us to Bellum Highway, right? No. Yeah. It only matters a creepy on purpose. It rocks. Oh, yeah. The first one was like It was. Yeah. It's got the screaming. It's got the Halloween noises and stuff. That one will be back too, guys. Oh, you guys, the seasons change here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. So, Trey, he'll drop the dirty tongue, the OG lurker, right? So, Trey, you down with this grace? You got this grace here or no? You got this little grace called outside. Sign us down at the grace right here. Love it, man. Love it, guys. We're gonna bring Trey in. Trey is a moderator and a friend, and he's a good Souls player. He is kind of known as the guide here at Charlie Sardo Gaming for Elden Ring, but he can by no means take all the credit for all. Oh wait, did I not set? No, I did set the. I did set that password. So many people have helped me. I very often don't know where everything is because everyone always tells me where it is. I'm like, what church again? They're like, dude, man, the first church in Marika. I'm like, I don't know where it is. They're like, open the K-lid map. Not that one, the other one. Okay, you know what I mean? Or whatever. Wait, guys, I know how to do this. I'll watch, guys. Whenever you summon someone for PvP, you go like this, you go. Hey. This guy, at least he sounds like a 4-year-old boy. I'm telling you, my last character sounded like a 2-year-old boy. Hey, there's oh, you want me? Oh, it's too, we can't pass tonight. Isn't there a Knight's Cav over here? Oh no, maybe he's not a Knight's Cav. He's just a Cav, huh? Oh, do we have dirty finger tongues to put down though? I don't have it. I don't have it. Didn't someone say you buy that from the finger maidens? Yeah, but not in the daytime. Oh, there he is. No, this is a cat. This is a Ooh, we got him because he went to the tree, guys. The arrow's reach chased him down. You better get behind the trees, bro. It's okay, Trey. I'm taking care of it. That's why I asked about the invader before you summoned me. Oh, okay. So you want I have 10,000 runes. Is it available for everyone to buy? And is 10,000 runes enough to buy it? Someone tell me. See what I'm saying? Oh, we got an invader. We got an invader. We got an invader. We got an invader. Where is he? Does anyone know? I'm trying to lure him into a false sense of malarkey. I want like... Can anyone... Oh, see him. I got him. I got him. I actually think I touched him. He's like, does that fool have the arrow's reach talisman on? Okay, that's it. I'm gonna melee him. I'm gonna melee him. This guy doesn't take damn. Well, he does now. Trey finally got a beat on him, folks. Does anyone know the Taunter's Tongue? Does anyone know how much it costs? Anyone? Anyone? You want to just go back to the Grace, Trey, and I'll just run and see if I can pick one up for 10K? Invader, you say? Trey will take care of it. Trey did take care of it. Hey, that guy is burnt toast. I'll tell you this. I put a lot of damn on that fool. No, I didn't put any damn on that fool. Trade takeoff so I can run and see if I can get us a figure. Read my comments, my man. That's why I asked about Invader before you summoned me. I've, as far as I know, I've read all your comments, my brother. I don't know what to say. Oh, the Invader at the round table drops a dirty tongue. That's one I missed. Okay, and so I can't get it. So I can't get it, right, Trey? Yeah, I'm sorry, Trey. I didn't see that one. You can't buy. I didn't see those, man. Okay. So I guess just put it down again here, and we'll just go on from here. Unless you have it, and you want to summon me. I was about to say, I think he's hacking. I watch him take hits in no damn. Yeah, Bielski, it kind of looked like it, huh? Is the invader going to be there? I was just there. The invader or the person downstairs? To me, the invader is the one that comes like later on after you kill. The one that comes after you kill. You're talking about jumping downstairs in the theater, right? Yeah, that I could probably pull that off. Little rock sling action. All my trinkets suck, guys. I gotta get close. This is the one you're talking about, right? See if he dodges as good as the last guy did. You better drink, buddy. And you better eat. You better eat some rock slings on the way too. We got us a Taunter's Tongue, folks. We got us a Taunter's Tongue. Now, was that East Ryalucaria Gate? Yeah, I think it is. I didn't even look at the name of it. That was pretty easy. That beat the hell out of freaking paying $10K for it, right? All right. Reapplying the dirty finger tray. We got one now. Let's go here. Let's go switch. Let's get the dirty tongue. There we go. And now we'll get tray. And now we'll get invaded, folks. And I gotta tell you, I don't like this build for invaders. I mean, maybe I could do like this and get a little bit of that action going on. Luring in the dirty invaders, man. We got this. I was about to say I think he's. Oh yeah, he looked like he took a few hits. I saw some of my rock slings hit him, like because they broke on him, and saw him not take damn. And you know, it was probably just lag. You made it look way easier than it did about an hour ago. Than I did. Okay, yeah. Well, believe me, I've gone in there and died before. Yeah. I've gone in there and died before. I should have rested till nighttime too, man. I just won't learn, folks. It's okay, though. Let's go to the church, grab a little sacred tear, you know what I'm saying? It's a rock sling, man. And I was able to be... Whoa. I knew that freaking tree was going to get in the way. I didn't even do anything. Cuckoo Night Helm could come in handy. We are going to be running up the tunnel, guys, and killing the magma. Guys, this sword's plus level 3. I'll have you know. See the big dam? Big dam, folks. I'm gonna probably take this sword for the meme all the way up to level 25, because I just wanted to have a melee weapon, but I didn't want to. I really want it to be a meteor staff run, but it's like if I ever need a melee weapon, I'll have this little pukey thing. Oh my God, Trey's like, we got invaded, guys. When I'm reading chat and stuff. He's like, it's a rock sling. It can't go that far. Ha! He didn't see the arrows reach talisman, folks. Keep the pressure. Keep the pressure. He'll crack. He's running out of wall, folks. It's okay. I took care of it, Trey. I took care of it. PvP is fun in this game. I'm not even good at it. I think I'm probably better than I let on. Oh yeah, we go this way, right? But I'm not Mr. PvP. Although I told the story the other day, I'll tell it again. The day the Coliseums came out, guys. Remember when the Coliseums got released? Yeah, I already looted it, brother. Trey marks all items for me. He's like, secret tier here, bro. The day the Coliseums came out, I tried my bubble build, which like literally, like pretty much 2.5 hit.
What do you need?
Placidux, Destroy Radon. You know what I'm saying? It was a bubble build. It was a cheese build. We got another one, folks. You see him? Wait. I'm going to scare him. I'm going to scare him because he's going to see me buff with Golden Vow. The low rent Golden Vow. Now what? Does Trey know he's this way for a reason? He's not here, man. Is he above us? So the day the Coliseums dropped, I went into some PvP with my Bubble Boy. And you know what happened? Yeah, absolutely nothing. I got destroyed. I tried some Reduvia daggers, got my butt kicked. Pulled out my big bonk build, the dual big bonk hammers, folks. You know what happened? I won 3 Coliseums in a row and then quit. That's right, folks. I was going to help with that. Where'd the invader go? Did he leave already? Anyone see the invader? The big bonk is just so much damage, man. Invaded by Bloody Fingered the Jerk. Is he going to be down here in the poopies? I don't see him. Do we just keep making our way and make him catch up to us? I mean, I don't want to seem like I'm running from the fool. Oh, I see him. He's up top. He's up top. He's up there. If I get poison poopy on me, that's going to be bad. I get the range, man. Oh, there's 2. There's 2. Okay, good. These guys look good. What? They're like, this guy sucks. He's standing in the poison poopies. This guy's good, man. Okay, I said E. Okay, that's it. I went in with my melee weapon, folks. It's +3. I used the smithing stones. Is that hilarious? That was nice. The dirty fingers are piling up, folks. I don't want to run through the poopy again if I don't have to. I don't remember the poopy being so nasty. That was good job, Trey. You freaking melted them both. Maybe that's why Millennia is so hard. Going back to earlier when you guys were saying what level your characters are. Billy saying 715. Charlie has 440-ish. I think my one character is level 145. Nice. Double invaders, double victory. Yeah, man. Yep, I kept them busy, man. You know, you got to attack sometimes, man. Every move doesn't have to hit. You know what I'm saying? At least, you know, at my level. Are you coming, Trey, or no? You waiting for another invader? I just want to grab my my sacred tier. Kevin Cook says my highest is 248. Caleb and Millennia is still hard. Oh, dude, I got my level 400 or whatever, and Millennia actually on that playthrough was easy. But the reason why, it's because we summoned. No. Actually, we on this playthrough, I don't think we killed Millennia on that one because of the. I never really go over here. I always run to the right. because this was my know someone's playthrough, but Millennia is not a mandatory boss, and now that the Elden Beast is done, if I want to kill Millennia with the band, oh my god, the poison is real, folks. Then I will, because the playthrough's over. The playthrough is over. Elden Beast is dead, folks. I killed Elden Beast tonight. I'm so happy, guys. I'm telling you, anytime I kill a big name boss. Oh, okay, so I got to go upstairs or something? Meet you at the next grace. Got it. Let's get what I like to call a walking around spell, folks. A walking around spell. Rock sling, it's a little bit bigger deal, guys. You know, my rock sling, it's kind of a big deal. Whoa. Leave me alone there, buddy. I ran around you for a reason. So, yeah, if you guys like what you see, man, you could toss me a sub. That would be freaking sick, man. As a matter of fact, I would love to just see it. If someone subs and can unsub it, like, Caleb, can you do that again? And let me see the alert. Because I told you. Oh, by the way, guys. Remember I told you how my alerts got all screwed up? I pretty much kind of got things working again with Streamlabs support, guys, which is embarrassing. I only use them for their alerts. I actually stream with the OBS, but yeah. Wait a minute. What was there a grace? This is the way I just came in, so there is no grace. So now we got poison and little midgets. Is it wrong to call them that? You know there's more freaking poison Bulbasaurs over here. That thing took off like a bat out of hell. Sorry, mistype. Yeah, Charlie, but it's like 7-minute delay. Okay, did it. Did you see it? Did you hear it go off? Did you see it go off on stream? I was like looking at my thing. Did I pass the grace? What's the average number of hours play? Did I pass the grace, Trey? I have a feeling I passed the grace. How did I not see it though? I mean, I know this whole area. Do I have to run through the whole freaking dungeon? Hey, I got a rune arc, so that'll be good. Oh my god. And there's a suicide mission dude coming at me. I got poison on me. I did not. You guys saw no alert. So annoying. Guys, you gotta have alerts. I got the grace now. I haven't seen a notification for the sun yet. Okay. I'll figure it out later. I'll figure it out later, folks. If you like what you see, throw me a sub, and I will tell you, you will be one of the special people, and you can tell me in 10 years. I remember when your all your alerts were set up for Facebook, and then, oh man. And then when you came to YouTube, your alerts weren't working because you got locked out of your Streamlabs, and I subbed anyway, no alert. Right? Be that guy. He's a pretty cool guy. Very low on health. Multiple birds coming up, folks. I got a drink. You guys want to try the arc? The Malark? I thought I was going to hit both. How come you have all the fancy spells? Oh yeah, because you're level higher than me. You go ahead and deal with that, and I'm going to run forward to the next grace, you know. Try and pick up some loot. I remember that time you told everyone to unsubscribe in stream. I told everyone in stream to unsubscribe? Who did that? I'm just trying to save mana, folks. for the boss. Time for our rock sling, folks. Oh, I got lots of mana, no health. Oh my god, come on. Bloody finger number 6 is returned to his world, folks. Was he scared? Were we supposed to clean those out first? Trey's getting freaking chopped up, folks! I'll try and shoot him off you, but I don't think it's going to happen. You got to pull him away from the... You got to... I'm coming down. Oh, look at that. I come all the way down, and then you just take care of it. Whatever. This is a test. Only a test. Don't do it, folks. I did have truth. It's just delayed. So you did see the alert, though, pop on the screen? That the little animation that pops up and says... So-and-so. Don't forget to kill the tentacle monster with ridiculous amounts of HP for good loot. I don't want to... I knew he was coming, but... Can if I could target a bat... God, that was so annoying. I'm going to have no health pots. Don't forget to kill the tentacle. The tentacle. Dude, I got 1 health pot, bro. And I think it's probably not dumb to drink it right now. Just to be done with it. You know what I'm saying? If you are new to the stream, thank you, man. Thanks for being here. If you like what you see, throw me a sub. Like I said, my name's Charlie Sardo. I play games. I play guitar. I play chess. I did a gig last night. Like, a band literally hires me to play guitar, if you can believe that. It's a real thing, folks. And you go ahead and kill the monsters, and I'll grab the loot. And I went live, and I have a Facebook gaming page, Charlie Sardo Gaming. That's my original streaming page. We're doing that there for about 3.5 years. I'm kind of known as the chess guy on Facebook. I think, guys, am I the biggest? Am I? I don't. Am I kind of? I'm known as a chess guy on Facebook. That's all I'll say. That's all I'll say, guys. Okay, Fogwall. Oh, he did that so we could rest up. Right. I understand. I'm learning the ways of the PvP realm, folks. Multiplayer. Caleb Boyd, Kevin Cook says, "What area are you playing, Trey?" Ooh, Flaskuses. Add a charge, yes. Okay. Increase amount, yes. I think I had 2 sacred. Oh man. Trey's back already, folks. You know what that means? He's not respecking. He's not changing spells. Trey's got this thing about him sometimes when he goes, "Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go rest on my grace." And then he comes back and he comments, "Yours the next boss." I'm like, what'd you do while you were gone? I need physics, man. I got crap for physics, guys. Whoa. I summoned the Targoth guy. Just because I can. It's my playthrough. The chess guy on Facebook, Elden Ring, folks. Yeah. Now, that's an NPC, right? Even though he just waved at us. Okay, wait. Wait. I got the low rank gold Val. I gotta use it. I'm sorry. I hope it didn't screw you up. Here we go. Where is he? Where is he? There he is. Oh my god, I'm supposed to be rock slinging. I'm not going to get a stagger if it keeps freaking doing this to me. Now I got to drink. I'm putting a poopy on this fool, man. I'm going to get a stagger. He's going to go down quick. Dude, the freaking, the Arrows Reach Talisman is a joke. In his head, baby. Got him. There's my stagger. It made me miss a couple of shots, though. Rock Sling is evil, guys. I'm telling you. Oh, look at Trey with the... He's raining poopies, folks. Guys, that was hard. No, we could have died. No, I'm telling you the truth. We almost had to play Elden Ring for a minute right there. That would have sucked. That would have sucked, man. You know, you die. Bad things happen. The Facebook chess aficionado with subs on every continent. That's right, man. That's right. Yeah, but I play games too. I was streaming. I'm like, oh boy, 13 people on Twitch, man. No. Is that right? These numbers are, what are these numbers, man? They're confused me. I'm not going to look at the numbers, guys. The numbers are weird. Don't look at numbers. No, like, I don't think anyone's watching on Twitch. Anyone watching on Twitch? Just say, yeah, one viewer, man. Good. Yeah, Twitch, I mainly read the YouTube chat, guys, if you haven't noticed. That's more what's going on here, right? Getting up. Was I supposed to loot anything in there? I have this boss ready as well. Want to run mine. Ooh, yeah. I just got to go back to the last grace. You'll summon me there? I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna freaking do the same thing. I'm gonna hit him with so many rock slings. He's gonna be begging for a glintstone. You know what I mean? Glintstones. Is there a grace up here before I... Is there a grace in Altus I should... Yeah, there is. This is grace right here, right, guys? Let me grab the grace tray. And then, oh, I know where I am. Now, can you start in Altus, go down that elevator, and attack that freaking sucker from the other angle? Huh? I don't want to talk to Melinda. No. The other grace is called Magma Worm Maker. You're going to summon the other guy. Cool. You summon whoever you want, man. It's your playthrough. The Ruin Strewn Pretrapie. Oh, wait. We got to go out. Wait. Where do we come in? That's the elevator, so we came in the other side. So this other grace is close. It's right here. Is that really it? I've never tried. I'm sure you can't. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what it would do. Okay, so this is where I need to put down my other finger. Let me find it. Oh, I forgot to put out the dirty tongue too. Let's go ahead and switch this one out for this finger. There we go. I am now summonable, folks. Dude, I killed Elden Beast tonight. If you just got here, I killed Elden Beast tonight, my 20th Elden Beast. And it was only my second no summons playthrough. And I did it all by myself, and I never asked for help. I asked for emotional help. I asked for mental help. And I might have even asked for some financial help. Okay? And even another kind of help I don't want to talk about. But I didn't ask for help in the game. I did it myself. No summons, folks. Summoning another co-operator. Co-operator. Too bad I couldn't drop stars. A reward, Billy. I know, man. We'll get there, man. It takes time. It takes time to build up the community here, to get the watch hours, to get these subs. We're going to get them. We're going to get them. They can't stop us, man. It's going to be absolutely magical. And then you guys will be able to drop me a little super chat or something. It's going to be freaking fun. We're not allowed to go in until Trey attacks the boss. Wait. I'm over here screwing around. Trey's already fighting. Is Trey going to lead him up though? Whoa. This one's harder, Trey. Trey's got a Comet Azure up, guys. It's lagging because that thing would be dead. Yeah. Well, I'd say I took care of it, but Trey took care of it. You know what I'm saying? Thanks for the rune arc, buddy. I achieved my objective. I'm returning to my world. It's freaking Saturday night before Super Bowl Sunday. What are you guys doing tomorrow? Anyone gonna go see the game? Anyone gonna watch the game? Anyone? The game? Who? I don't even know who's playing, guys. Altus. Teamwork makes the stream work. What? That's the wrong. Oh, this other Grace is like right above me, I think. The Chiefs and the 49ers. And well, something about Mary is a Niners girl. Okay? I don't even know. Where's is it right here? Abandoned coffin? I guess it's here. My mom is hosting a Super Bowl party for the family. Trey, that's nice, man. You're gonna have a good time tomorrow. You're gonna have a good time tomorrow. So you coming in here, Trey, or no? Let me put down Dirty Finger and we'll see. Are y'all rooting for the Chiefs or Taylor Swift? I mean the 49ers. I'll tell you something. I watched Taylor Swift last night, her Tiny Desk concert. She's good, guys. She's talented. She's very talented. She plays guitar. She plays acoustic guitar like I would literally say as good as me, which is like, that sounds so egotistical, right? Like I'm like dude, it's Taylor Swift. She's worth $2 billion. You know, she sold 800 billion records in the last 8 minutes. I get it. I don't meet a lot of dudes that play guitar like me. I'm talking about playing an acoustic guitar. The way I play acoustic guitar, I'm not even saying I play it great. I do. I play okay. She plays it the way she plays it. Her attack and everything. It's very confident. It's very confident. She plays good rhythm guitar on that J200, man. She really did. I was like, it actually reminded me of me. What's Trey saying? It reminded me of me. Grab the Grace up here first. I'm gonna summon the other guy. You're gonna summon the other guy. Grab the Grace up here first. She's dating the tight end. Yeah, the Grace up here. Isn't there a white dragon gonna land on my head? And so you want me to go up to the other Grace, you're saying? Is this loot here to like distract me? Smooth operator. Oh man, see, I read your comment before that when you said grab the Grace. Okay, let me. I was looking for it, dude. I didn't see it. Let me. At least I felt like I looked for it. Sorry, I missed it. I'm gonna grab this Grace right here while I have it, and then I'm gonna port back there. To I think it was called Abandoned Coffin, right? It's freaking hot in here. And then of course she sings great, and she writes good songs, guys. She writes good songs. So does that make me a Swiftie? I don't know. She's good though. I'll tell you that, she's freaking good. Why it's so hot in here, man? There's no freaking heater. I'm getting the meat sweats. I'm getting the freaking meat sweat, folks. Okay. Oh, yeah. This is the right one, right? Do I have to put it down again since I ported? Okay. Looking. Well, that time I saw it. Guys, I have to grab a I'll take you with me. If you're new to the stream, check out the coffee can. I know what you might be asking, folks. What are you making there, Charlie? Iced coffee? Well, As far as you know. Guys, I killed the freaking Elden Beast tonight. My 20th Elden Beast, man. I did it myself. Where'd Trey go? Let me see. Yeah, I'm so happy about that. Like, I'm a dork. I'm a gaming dork. I'm a streaming dork. I'm actually a pretty cool guy, but there was a lot of pressure, man. I was getting tired of freaking playing that thing, man. I wanted to freaking play it until I killed it tonight. Last time, you know, whoa. Oh, I thought we were getting invaded. Last time we were trying to kill that Elden Beast, it was a little bit of a hassle. Dude, I'm not close enough. But he wants me, though. He wants me. He wants me. You better run away, a little 50% dragon. He's like 25%. Look at the rock slings, man. Guys, I'm getting shot by the Comet Azure. So, since we didn't kill a boss, we don't have to start over. Okay, good. Gonna try one more try, the unsubscribe and resubscribe. Okay, but yeah, by the time you do that, but you guys watch, because, I mean, I'm looking, but I gotta turn my volume up a little bit, too. So I hear it better, if it pops here. It worked that one time, Caleb. You'll see it on screen. It's freaking huge. It's right here. It says really big. It'll be a big, stupid green Streamlabs logo, and it'll say, Caleb, subscribe. The thing is, I thought last time it wouldn't have worked, and it did. And then today, I would think it was working, and I think it's not. So, we'll get it set up, guys. You're like, this streamer doesn't even know how to set alerts. Dude, my freaking Streamlabs got jacked, bro. What are we waiting for? He's sleeping. He's bored. So, yeah. I have, like, actually working alerts on my stream and stuff. Did you activate the dirty tongue? Oh, I forgot the dirty tongue. Lure invaders, guys. I activated the dirty tongue. Yeah, it worked the other night. Tonight it didn't. Okay, no problem. No problem, man. Like I said, if you sub, tell me in chat you subbed, and then you could be the what's the word? The selfless subber, folks. Kind of like the what was that slasher? The hash sling slasher? Was it the hash sling slasher? Whoa, come on, man. Come on, why didn't I just loot it? Yeah, I think I have 1 million of those on most of my characters. It's weird, because I don't remember looting it 1 million times. Usually Trey's killing stuff. What's up there, buddy? Oh, well, okay. Where'd Trey go? Looking. Did we get invaded? I'm over here killing NPCs, and Trey's probably like fighting a real person. I did put down the dirty finger, you know. Close chat and reopen it. Mine froze earlier too. I subbed and unsubbed to no avail. Okay, cool. Yeah, I mean, we shouldn't have to do that. Whoa, I got a warming stone, so that'll be good. Those come in handy. There's a pumpkin here, guys, and Trey's really laying down the rainy poopies on him. It's okay, man. I'm just here for loot. Oh, man. Some friends of mine, hot bands playing right down the street tonight, guys. But you know what? I think I'm not going to go. I might just keep being a streamer, folks. Look at the range, guys. Arrow's reach. Let's see if it hits him. It just barely did. This... How did he not hit me? You better hide from the trees. You know why I like the arc? Because I got bad aim. I got bad aim, guys. His sisters are coming. Watch out for the sisters, Trey. Oh my god, he freaking took me out. I'll meet you at the next Grace. Oh, wait a minute. That was... Oh, this is my playthrough. I would have tried a little harder to stay alive there, Trey. Sorry. I mean, I actually didn't try and die. It was a little laggy. Oh, man. Wait a minute. Wait. Am I in a different spot now? I already got Erd Tree Gazing. Is that where we just were? Yeah, so go to Erd Tree Gazing, right? Oh, you're talking about your white dragon? Yeah. That was beside the coffin, right? Empty coffin, abandoned coffin. Yeah, man. Go to abandoned coffin, Grace, and put down the dirty finger. I will accept. And that's the one you're talking about, right? Fun fact: all of these stones are pieces of Farum Azula. Is that true? Yeah. I put down the dirty finger. I killed the Elden beast, so every time you get ahead, you have to catch up. Yeah, right. Got it. It's the two-tone method. I'm being summoned to another world, folks. Second verse, same as the first. Now, I can be a little more aggressive on this one because it's your playthrough. But on the other ones, I got to be a little less aggressive because when I die, it ends. And all my physics suck.
Hey!
All right.
Hey!
Do we take this fool out? I guess he's run by. I aggroed him. That might be considered... Some might call that kiting. He already gave up. Alright. When he puts his head in the air... It's okay, I did my damn. I thought you were going to get the moon off a little quicker than that. You got this, Trey. Smooth operator. Dude, I cannot believe we got the Elden Beast down. I'm sorry to keep harping on it. I was just over there making this drink, and I was like, I felt pretty happy, man. I'm putting a finger down thinking Trey might not get it. Did Trey get it, or did Trey not get it, folks? Tell me if you got it, Trey. This is the nice, relaxing run, guys. We're just having fun. We're running through. Wait. Did you get it, Trey? Okay, cool. So what do we do? Go to the next Grace, right? Erd Tree Gazing, and we just alternate back and forth. I'll summon you. Right? Dirty Finger is put down. I'm summoning you at Erd Tree Gazing. Erd Tree Gazing. Looking. These ruins, like, if there's any loot in them, it's upstairs, huh? It's like you can't get to it from here. Does anyone see his dirty finger, folks? The power of the affordable mozzarella provides. Dude, it did today, man. I just need a little bit of freaking energy. I actually was a teeny bit tired. Erd Tree Gazing, I'm summoning you, Trey. Is the goal. It's a Corngolio, but I don't know what's going to happen. Because I don't see you. Unless you're respecting to Comet Azure again. In which case, you know, I say, yeah, do it. I love the way this Comet Azure, is that the same one that you were using with Drew and I when we were like doing all those cheeses and stuff? Do I have to like no. I just put my own summoning sign down. I don't want that. Cancel summoning sign. Okay, yeah. I'm looking for... I just did the fur calling finger remedy. I am going to lure invaders. Hopefully that'll lure a Trey. Your sign should be down. I think I see it now. Yep. Smooth operator. Yeah, so I don't really have plans for tomorrow, man. Maybe if I get to bed early, I could get up, you know, get some breakfast. And do like a Super Bowl sub-a-thon. Super Bowl sub-a-thon. That sounds like a good one, right, guys? And try and get some subs in here. You go ahead and run ahead. There's a freaking squirrel I gotta grab. Got it. All right. Your Saturday group has assembled. Billy Molnick says, be a good day to bust out your old new grill and make some steaks. My old new grill. Texas girls are wild, folks. My old new grill. Are you running back to Pumpkinhead? How did I not get that loot the first time? Did it repop? Oh my god. That dude just scared the crud out of me, bro. He's got range. This guy's got range. Where'd Trey go? Trey's probably fighting the invader. The smooth invader. Fighting a smooth invader. You kited the pumpkin. Talk about, I said the word kiting and you kited this fool out here. Okay, I'm not on his head anymore. That actually does a little bit of damn. It's okay, guys. I'm a professional rock slinger. This thing is... Oh, man. Watch out, Trey. Oh, yeah. No, I just shut him down. I took care of it. I took care of it with the rock sling, folks. Which way am I going? Isn't there... Where's the Grace? We're doing everything on... Footsie. Oh, yeah. There's like... There's loot up here. There's a map frag... And a tree, too, right? Yep, I see the tree. Yep, and there's loot over there. Oh, there's a Grace right there. We'll grab it. The one you just bought a few months back, at least a few, yeah, like probably a year ago. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa, we get invaded? Or are you just buffing to be nice? I want to grab this Sacred Terran map frag. There's a knight over here too. I could probably shoot him off with my rock slings, guys. That'd be pretty cool. Don't you agree? Because he is kind of standing in the way of my map frag. Oh, wait, no, there's not a knight. It's 3 Malarkers. I just want this map frag, man. I'm here. Did I pass it? Oh, no. The invader is here, guys. Uh-oh. I put the poop on him. Dude, the rock sling tracks pretty good. At this range, it appears to be... It's tracking okay. I'm just trying to get my shots off, guys. Yeah, he's like, no way rock sling goes that far. It's like arrows reach talisman, bro. I took care of it. Isn't the map frag up here, guys? It's right here. No, it's right there. That was awesome. The range was fun on that. The range was fun on that with the rock sling, man. It was really cool seeing the huge arc the rock sling would make. Okay. Now, we've got enough graces here to get moving. Yeah, we'll just move forward, I guess, toward the... this area over here, where there's more malarkey to be afoot. I want the loot. I want the loot. It's a... Whoa. It's first playthrough, man. It's not NG+. I need loot. Okay. Uh-huh. Now, doing this on a horse is hard, bro. You want to take a shortcut? You want to... Are we going to kill everything? What's the plan here? Oh, he went behind the rock, man. Wide tray bale. Horse is good for this. Ah. Yeah, you know, there's... We probably could have just... How come it won't let me get on my horse? Oh, just because he's not completely out of the world yet, right? I still can't get my horse. I still can't. Look how long it won't let me... If I could just... But it won't let me... Let me get my horse, guys. I got invaded by a bloody finger, man. I don't see him. Dude, they got golem bows, bro. They got golem bows. Dude, he's got the range, bro. Dude had the range, man. That was good. I didn't expect that range with that jump. He had good range. If I would have just fought him, you know, regular, maybe I might have died. But there's no guarantees. I feel bad for leaving now, says Trey. Oh, yeah, no way, man. No way, dude. I mean, I could ride up that way, but this way is so much safer. You know what I mean? There's just so many... You don't have to go past so much. I remember trying to figure this out a long time ago, and I felt like I was like, how do I can't get there from here. And it's like, now I'm like, wait a minute. Duh. You can get there from here. All my runes, guys. All set. 4,000, 3,000, 3,800 of them. Okay. Feeling good, feeling good. Moving forward. Guys, I was like, I didn't do all, oh my god. I ran right through the middle of the sisters, folks. The second strongest seal in the game is up on the very tippy top of the right of the stairs. The tippity top? The tippity tip top? The tippy tip top? Damn. powered up now, folks. Okay. Oh, so we'll get this grace. Do you want to take these horsey guys out? Or you want to just keep moving, Trey? You know, I'm pretty loose about it, man. I'm actually pretty loose about it. I think it's called Golden Order. Yeah, I own one in on one of my other characters. Is he like at the very tippy? Oh, flasks out of charge. Yes. There we go. We got massive flasks now, folks. Also, I summon you again. On the other side, the doors by the bosses. Okay. You got it, man. Oh, yeah, I think... Didn't you guys say you couldn't summon over there? I just turned my head, like, behind me, like I was looking this way. You know, funny? It was weird. It's getting late. Am I getting tired, folks? I don't think so. I'm pumped. Dude. Freaking playthrough number 20. The no summons run. It's probably going to be a minute before I do another one of those. Oh, well, so you want me to just go ahead and pull a boss then, right? Summoning a cooperator. Yeah. He'll come out here, right? I'm fixing to pop a golden bow, man. Don't... Quick, before the chair magic is gone. Okay, you can bust another one if you want. I should have waited for the moon to hit, probably. Get in the Terra Magica. Ooh. That sucked. Trying to get back in the Terra Magica. Magica. Ooh, baby, when you talk like that. There we go. That was nice. Okay, second spot. Same as the first. I still don't know how to click the multiplayer thing and, like, make people leave. I put mine down right outside the door. You could probably see it. Yeah, I think it works. It's on that side of the fog wall. I probably should have put where yours was. Where yours was. Sorry, Trey. Did you does it work, or should I've done it out here? Okay, yeah. Sorry about that. Cancel. Okay. Put dirty summon sign right here by the dirty finger scenario. No, I did the wrong one. Cancel. Come on, man. Give me a second. I'll finally learn how to play Elden Ring, folks, after it. The many, many years of playing. Oh, man. What a freaking day, guys. Elden Beast. Elden Beast gone. I am being summoned to be a cooperator. Now, if you guys notice, why wasn't I using the Great Rock Sling? Well, because he did have Terra Magica down. Although, Rock Sling with the Meteorite Staff might hit harder than Glintstone. Oh, God. Why won't it let me buff? Why won't it let me buff? It won't let me buff. Rock Sling is... Whoa, I'm still up. Trey put the poop on him hard there. Did you guys see that? Ooh, that was gnarly. He's going to hit him too. Get him! Get him! I'm out of mana. Sorry, Trey. Yeah, I had a little slow start. I guess I can't buff my Golden Vow. Dirty Finger down. Dirty Finger is down. Smooth Dirty Finger. I'm fixing to get summoned, guys. We're going to fight these tree things again. Did I do it too far away? Do I need to be further out? No, we're going. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming in. Put me in, coach. Oh no, it's because I didn't have it two-handed, guys. I'm a dummy. Oh, he's walking? You guys check out the range. Why don't you hit him from here? I got Arrow's Reach Talisman, folks. Stagger. Ooh, nice moon. Wow, how did I not... All right, it's on you, buddy. It's on you, buddy. You got this, Trey. Watching as long as I can. Trey's got the thing to about 10%. No, much less than 10%, I'd say. Trey's healing up. Trey should be fine, folks. Oh, it's another successful day, man. We had a chess stream earlier. Private chess stream for subs only. It's the first time a whole bunch of chess players didn't show up. We had other people show up. People were coming in and saying hello and stuff. Just had a little private chill session for subs for a little while on Facebook Gaming. And it just obviously wasn't a good time, so I'm going to reschedule that for next week. Doing a little earlier, about 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. Did you get him, Trey? Tell me you got him. And I'll meet you at the Grace. Tell me you got him! Tell me, Trey. Yeah, good job. You got it. Cool. So I'll meet you at the Grace. Yep. I was hosting a little Magic the Gathering at the house, so I had to miss the workshop. Billy, nice, man. Okay, back to me summon you. And Dirty Finger, Dirty Tongue going down. I'm summoning you, and the Dirty Tongue is going down. Here we go. Ooh, I got 18K, bro. I got a freaking lev, man. I got 1 level. God, I put the AC on. It freaking freezes me over. I shut it off, I start sweating. What do you do, folks? Ooh, you want to kill this freaking thing, or you want to run past him? Grace is right here. I say we kill him. Yeah, I should have I took a chance and I hit him. He's gonna get tired. He's gonna get tired. I'm not gonna run out of mana, buddy. Okay. One thing about me. Man, I just pulled my melee weapon out, dude. I was fixing a freaking... I was going to Golden Vow up, and I was fixing to engage that fool with my +3 weapon. I really was. I really was. Okay, now I think with this one, I think we got to get back to the rock sling scenario, folks. This guy comes in gangbusters, bro. I love the way he flies in. Wow. Okay, so you're saying he has a two-pronged attack. I'm dead. I can't see what he's doing. I get the stag. That was easier than I thought it was going to be. 23k. Hey there. Got a few bucks for that one, so that'll come in handy later on in the game. Oh, you want to do yours now, or wait? We should at least go to the next grace. Oh, it's still early, man. It's only 11 o'clock. It's only a smooth operator, guys. There are more golden seeds. They must have really figured the game. Like, why did they do this and spam all these golden seeds in one spot? You know what I mean? They spread them out everywhere else. Maybe they were done. The game was done. They're like, well, maybe we should add another golden seed in this spot right here.
I see thee, smoldering with that wretched flame of ambition.
Well, we don't stand on top of each other. You can never hit us both at the same time. Big damn, big damn. I can still stay way back here, guys. Sadly. So you're saying I have to drink mana? Big damn coming in from Trey, folks. Oh, you took a... He flew too close to the rain, bro. He's Icarus. He flew too close to the rain. Okay, we'll come up and grab next grace, I guess, and we'll go back and do your gargoyle or something. Does that sound like a plan? I might have 2 levels now, which would be pretty cool. I think I see the grace, folks. So that'll be good. Okay. Moving forward. Morgot the Fell. Is that what that name was? Morgot the Fell. Okay. Resting. We're gonna take a level or 2, so we don't walk around with a bunch of runes. Guys, I'm kind of an int guy. I feel like I'm squishy now, but I think I'm squishy because I'm hanging out with Trey. We're going 40 int, folks. So we'll go back to the other grace. Summon at this grace. And run back down. Or should we go, does it matter? I guess it's less running. No, it's the same pretty much. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know which grace. Was it the other grace? Yeah, that's kind of what I thought. Okay, that would be right here. Outer Wall Phantom Tree. Oh, you didn't grab it? Oh, okay, and you couldn't grab it. Nice. Dropping Dirty Finger so we can get summoned, folks. Let's get down. Let's get funky. And let's get live. Equipment Oreo. Everything sucks so bad I don't even care. Yeah, I think he'll land right here, right, guys? I might be able to get 3 with the arrow's reach. Two. Get him with all 3. Why no summon? I mean, why no stagger? I expect a stagger, guys. It's part of the game. That was dumb. We took him out. Drake took care of the kill shot, folks. This is fun. We're getting some stuff done. And I put 2 points in int. Slapping now, guys. Slapping. With my homemade clothes and my meteorite staff with the rock sling build. It's not a build. Well, it is a build. He has great poise, claims Trey. All right. And he summoned me, so I don't know if he's got the dirty finger to put down or not. Second burst. You guys know how it goes. Same as the first. I'm gonna get runes for this too, huh? No! What? It's wasting mana. We got him in the worst position ever, folks. He's done. Trey will take care of him. Yeah, he has great poise, man. Great poise. All right, Trey. I'm going to walk you to the grace train, and I think I'm going to call it, my friend. I think I had a good gaming session tonight. I enjoyed playing with you, Trey. I appreciate the help. We got some stuff done. We came here, didn't have to go get the medallion. Made a few bucks. 66,000. How come I got so many runes for that? How do I leave multiplayer? How do you leave? F. How do I leave though? He made me leave, but how do I leave? That's what I don't know how to do, guys. If you're new to the stream, or if you're not, guys, if you haven't subbed, please hit the sub button. I appreciate it. If you like what you see, you think you might want to come back. And likes, I think, help too. And I'll get those alerts going on this end. I am sure I'll be live again tomorrow. I'm high a little bit from killing Elden Beast. I'm glad you guys were here for it. If you didn't, go back and watch the front. We worked through it. We improved. And we freaking beat him. My second time with no help. It was awesome. It's an item called Finger. Oh, I got to click a finger? Finger Severer. Have a good night. Molinix, thanks for being here, man. I want to thank everyone who was here, man. I appreciate it. And Sassy Jessica for coming in on Twitch. And all the YouTubers, I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Jay, thanks for being here. Kevin Cook, love you, my brother. Caleb, thank you, everyone, for being here. What a good time. Catch you guys later.